On Snapchat, private stories are meant to allow you to share content with a select group of friends, but you can still allow anyone to join your private story as long as you adjust the settings. And here is how you can let someone join your private story. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, simply take any photo for a snap or browse through your gallery and put it one for your story. Now, in order to keep it as a private story, simply tap on the sticker icon available in the right side panel of your Snapchat. Then simply tap on the Your Story option available in the top right corner. After you tap on the Your Story, you can see Private Story option available there. Now select the custom and write down the name of your story. Now, once you write down the name of your story, anybody who joins your story can contribute for your story. Now, once you have written the name, you can place it anywhere on your screen. Now, what happens is the viewers who view your story can tap on your sticker and join your private story. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.